Just trying to get my quads worked out. Since last Saturday, I was unable to. Right, magra-ride muna tayo today. Siguro mga 16 or 20 miles around here in Oakley. Okay? Alright.
Oh my God! Wow!
Morning, guys. Cross. Here we're going to the Big Break Trail. This is the Delta, the Anza Trail. It's one of my favorite routes. Please continue to support all my videos, and hopefully you'll enjoy them. I'll continue making them. If any contents that you guys want me to do, let me know, and I'll post this on my YouTube channel too. Thank you guys, and God bless everyone.
Oh my God! Wow!
Alright, we are getting off the Anza Trail, going to Mars Creek Trail now. Push the button, push the button. What did he say? And it is clear. Let's go. Alright, we're going to Sand Creek Road now. We're making a right turn. Sand Creek. The old Sand Creek Road. It's just a little bit of dirt here, gravel type. That's okay. We have the right tires by 28. And my old road. Let's pick it up a notch here. Holy moly! That was a good sprint. 5-second sprint. And to give you a 360 perspective of what's surrounding you. Beautiful city of Brentwood, California. All right.
Oh my God! Wow!
There's a section here that we probably around 700 yards. Morning. Good, how are you? Wala siyang bike lane. So, it's a two-way. Medyo makitid siya, so you have to be careful. And we can get as fast as we can. To avoid the cars. Okay, I'm gonna fan the GoPro on the left. Let's probably see bike lane here. Still no cars, so we're good. Now, bilis ng tren. There we go. Headwind. can use the parking space here. There is. Nice. Right. So we are done. Okay, thank you guys all for watching today, and hopefully you guys will enjoy this video, and let's make more fun videos. I'll see if I can go film Michaela going to the Dave and Buster's. She wants to go there today, so we'll see. Anyway, if you guys have any other content that you guys want me to do, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Again, I appreciate all your comments and likes, and so we can continue to make more videos. Maraming salamat guys. Thank you guys. God bless. Hasta luego. Lamnadis.
Oh my God! Wow!